Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a dented can mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the can. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the can size. Now convert it into smart object. Reduce the fill. Press Ctrl T to transform and select warp. After make the adjustment, just hit enter. Now create a clipping mask and increase the fill back to 100%. Double click on smart object icon and import the design here. So go to file, place embedded, select can design and place and transform it to the canvas size. Press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. Now change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. And hit OK. Now make one more duplicate of the can and place it on the top of all layers. And change that blend mode to color dodge. Reduce the opacity to 50%. And fill to 47%. Now add a layer mask and brush with black to remove that extra part. And your dented can mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.